Hadian kejing pentip yaki rai na kejing yalang kenhun menteri ke Sorkar MDA2 haka artare kuno pra arja arpusa uba polling do menteri berikmi yakatana tourism bat nong ai ketien ke Sorkar MDA2 ulaong. Baka Sorkar Jylla kala rai basyan kan sepen sedang no ya kejing Kamai helikopter ban kit yaki Nongwan perthai sekeleng ki jaka Jngohkai Hapoh ke Jylla. Ubak pol ulaong baan sedang syuada ke helikopter na Guwahati se Shillong ke bemut ha Umroi airport bat hadian kene ha Yam Sora dauki bat New Shillong. Ula pentip ru baka Sorkar kan shimru iki sen jam ban penba yaki lat penyaso yaki surok bat benrap kum kenuksa ke Mausen Ram ke balasna ya ke museum ke badan kam ke jing penba hakal yang ke surok. Nalor kini menteri ulaong baka Jngwan jangki Nongwan perthai se Meghalaya kala tam ya ka khat san lak mentau snam bat penpau ke jing kemilanti bakan kiu dah 100% house nam arja arpusan.
One is where the road connectivity is still in a bad condition. We would improve those. But two, we are concentrating more on the tourism circuits. Circuits which now will be, there is already a proposal to also connect these circuits by air. For instance, there is a proposal, we are in the initial stage, where we would connect Meghalaya with helicopter services exclusively for movement of tourists. We will start with Guwahati to Shillong, meaning Umroi airport, then Yam, then Sora, Dauki, New Shillong. These will form part of that tourism circuit. But the other areas, for instance, Mausen Ram, where we are developing the rain museum, that will need more investment in the road network. As you're aware, the Sky Scanner, which is a renowned brand, has done a survey and found out that Shillong is the most preferred destination by Indian tourists in 2025. So that itself is a major growth story for Meghalaya. I mean, in the past many years, we have not been able to get that kind of a recognition. And this time around, with us having successfully been able to sell brand Meghalaya as the ultimate tourism destination, you will see that even under that SASKI, Meghalaya has got the lion's share. 199 crores for 2 projects is not a matter of joke. This year we've already crossed 15 lakhs. And 50 will be next year.
What is your target?
Out of 10 preferred destinations, Shillong has reached number 1, meaning that by 2025, the increase of footfalls would be not less than 60%. In terms of the next fiscal year, we are seeing that increase should not be less than 60%, which is why we need to come up with more accommodation units, hotels, resorts and facilities. So that is what is happening right now.
Habatien, pej bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataya kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashap plus F hakajingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bada ka bathau bha kam kta ika dur jingki marbam ka jingma lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marbam modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong commissionerate of food safety Meghalaya.